How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 55 Chevrolet Bel Air hardtop. It's had a recent frame off restoration done in its factory. Turquoise and India Ivory. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. All the chrome on this car has either been replaced or re-chromed. Very, very nice. All the panel fitment on the car is nice. Paintwork is just flat and slick, straight on down the sides. It's got the accessory guard on the front bumper and accessory rocker guards, accessory door handle nail guards, even the one on the gas door. Super nice car. It's got the accessory guards on the rear bumper. It's got the matching turquoise and ivory interior. See, the car's nice and straight, flat down the sides. Got the dual mirrors. It's got a nice rebuilt 350 aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. It's got disc brakes, power steering. It's got air conditioning, vintage AC. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. It's got 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got a 10-bolt limited slip rear, nice little upgrade. See all the jams, the interior in the car is excellent. It's all been redone, factory stuff. Nicely updated with a tilt column. Headliner, all the bows are real nice. Tell you, I really like the turquoise and ivory two-tone. All in the trunk's real nice. We do have the spare to go with it. Got AM FM stereo in it. You can see the vintage AC vents all nicely mounted under the dash. It's a very, very nicely done car. All the glass is super nice. Those are real horns on these cars. It's just a super nice car, guys. It's got a dual exhaust. It's just nice stock type mufflers on it. Comes all out the back with some nice chrome tips. A little chilly out this morning. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Okay, it's a good looking car. Nice set of 17-inch wheels on it. Paintwork and stuff on the car is very nice. All the chrome looks real good. Have a great day, folks.